Yeah.
Yo, we got another D-Jonks Outdoors video. We're here where I was the past few days. I didn't have no footage though. Didn't have my camera. Caught a few fish here in the past few days, one wild brown. So we're hoping we can catch a variety of fish today. And we're just gonna see what we can do. We're gonna get after it. See you guys. Walking down to the spur spot now. Me and Jackie just got our rods rigged up. Jakey's down there. He'll be fishing a lure today. Sadly, since I'm broke, that's our only lure, so me and Jackie have to use worms. Go see her at the water. We're here taking our first cast of the day. All these fish all those fish are like stacked up behind that rock over there.
Really?
Yeah, that rock right there. That's where I've caught almost every single fish here.
How do we get over there?
You just walk.
There's a big rock in
Right behind the rock, like I said, Jackie. Where I've caught in every single fish.
You see that rock?
Oh fuck, I don't have my pliers.
Yeah, want me to cast? Let me cast. Cast like a little up.
Alright, perfect. Hooked him right in the side of the face. Don't need the pliers.
Yeah, I see.
No, Jackie, you don't want to cast it further up the river. And you want it to drift right next to the rock. This is our first cast after getting that fish. Try a little deeper. I might have caught every fish. Huh? Might have caught every fish next to that rock. You on?
I don't know if I was on.
I think I might be getting hit again, low key.
It felt like vibrations.
Yeah, I'm getting hit again.
I definitely don't like that. I didn't know what to do.
We're on. Damn! Yeah,
Oh, shit.
right behind the rock. I might need to go get the pliers. Actually, nope, right in the corner of the mouth again.
I gotta take another cast out there.
Yeah, you do.
Bro, I swear I felt a fucking hit. Wait, what should I do? Should I let it like...
You want to reel until you feel the fish, and then you set the hook.
After I feel it?
Because you're gonna have a lot more. If you just set the hook, you're gonna have too much slack out there, and you're just gonna pull the fucking hook right out of its mouth. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You on? You're on. Jackie's on. Yes, sir. Here, put him down.
Oh.
Put him down. Yes, sir, Jackie.
Oh, hold this shit. Having you would be impressed with my skills.
I need the pliers.
You can't hide this bitch too. You can't hold... Oh, shit. It's in the water.
I know. I need to go get the pliers. All right, me and Jackie just doubled up. We're gonna get back in there. Yeah, go for it. This is gonna be our last spot before we start moving down river. Our last cast, not spot. Jakey and Jack have already started moving down. We're at the next spot downriver. I was here the other day, got some bites down here. Didn't bring home the prize. Hoping we can get a nice little native or something out of here. That'd be really cool. Jackie, I gotta go back and grab the worms. Alright, we're done with this spot right here. We're about to move down. I actually just walked up to the bridge to get the worms and just saw my middle school English teacher, Mr. Bronson. He was fishing. I'm getting a hit, I think. No. Alright, we're moving down, boys. Yo, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but there's a beaver right there. Oh, hell no. That's a big ass beaver. Jakey, there's a beaver over here. Jackie, you see this shit? Jakey, look. Jakey, look. Oh, he's right here. You see it?
Yeah.
So now we're downriver more after running into that beaver. Take a few casts here, then we're gonna get down to that big pool, fish that big pool. If we don't get anything, we're just gonna go back up to where we started. Here at the probably the last spot that we're gonna walk down to. Oh, I just got a hit. We're on. Little something. Oh my God. It's a little this isn't even a trout, bro. It's like, I don't even know what these things are called, bro. I think they're called like fall fish. Jakey. Fall fish. Fall fish. Ugh. I don't like the way these things' mouths look. Ugh. Nasty fish. Nasty thing, bro. Started making noises. These things are like suckers, dude. Gross ass fish.
Oh my God, this is so good.
Really? We're on again. We got... Is it? Oh my gosh, bro. Ew. I don't like touching these things. They're weird. Alien fish, bro. I don't like touching those things. Give me a native brookie or something, not a little fucking shit like that. Stoop fish. We'll move down just a little bit towards like the end of this little hole. See if we can't get anything over here. Alright, it's too fast to fish over here. Alright, we're starting to make our way up. We're just gonna dip our worm behind this rock, see if anything's here. Yeah. I know. Alright, this is our first cast back at the first spot. I said I was taking the first cast.
What?
I said I was taking the first cast. Me and Jackie got to share rods now because he broke off and we don't have any more hooks or weights, so, or lures. So, yeah. I don't know. No hits there. We'll turn on the camera if we get anything, boys. Jakey, if you catch a brown or anything, bring it down here so I can get like a thumbnail. All right, now that I have this lure on, Jackie, I'm gonna go fish like to your right. I'm still gonna be right here though. You on? Oh, that's a good fish. Yo, don't. Holy shit, that fish is big. Don't keep reeling. Oh, fuck. Let's go.
Yo, let me hold him. He's big, bro.
Yo, the hook just came out too.
How big is it?
It's probably the biggest one we've caught here.
Yeah. Just caught this.
Yes, sir.
We'll send it. Yeah. Look. Slippery.
I know. Alright. How you gonna hold it?
I'm gonna hold it like this. Hold up.
Alright, you ready? This is for the thumbnail, Jackie.
Alright, I'm just gonna hold it. Alright, feet.
Alright, you ready?
Hold up.
Alright, there we go.
Let's see the picture. I just cleaned that off in the water.
Yeah. Hold on, we gotta revive this fish.
Yeah, I felt someone snap when I was in my mouth.
Yeah, I think you might have killed it. Now it's like,
fault, or is it just like it would have happened?
I don't know.
We have like a nap.
Alright, we're gonna have to bring him home.
What?
You
You can?
Yeah,
Are you gonna eat them?
someone will.
Your dad will?
Yep.
So it's a good catch by me.
Yeah,
So make sure you tell your dad I got him.
I will.
And that's for the family.
Uh-huh.
I wish I could come and eat.
I'm gonna take some casts over here. Get this Rapala. Jackie's caught a pretty big rainbow. Definitely his biggest rainbow ever. Today's actually his first time trout fishing. So it's pretty awesome of him to be able to catch one. This lure's a little big for trout. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if I get anything. I would be surprised if I catch something on this lure. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, dude, he's falling out of the net. You better go back in the water. You gotta eat that.
I know.
That's not bite. I'm going back, I'm going back.
Look at this native brown I caught the other day here with my girlfriend.
Yeah, no, sick.
I know, right?
Box.
I know. That was the first fish I caught here. Hey, reel it up. You're going about to go down that big rip. Yeah, let me take this cat. Let me take one. First one right here. It's over there. But I'm trying to use a worm. So with this fast shit, try and land on like the edge of it and then flip your bail. Let line go out until you're like pretty far down there. And then you just let it sit for a bit. And then reel it up slowly. Cause you will get a hit on the, see all this, cause see this rip right here, Jackie?
They're not coming down it?
No, you see how it's like fast and then it's like not fast?
Yeah.
That's what we call slack water. And slack, it's like, it comes back this way. And the fish like the slack water to stay out of like the super fast current. I just got a hit, I think.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, shit! What kind is it?
Oh no, I don't think so. Oh, that is a little rainbow. That might be a wild rainbow.
Wait, is it?
This is a native rainbow.
You got caught a native?
Jakey, this is a native rainbow.
Caught?
No!
Native!
No, not the native, dude.
No! Wait, were you trying to take a pic with them?
Yeah.
It was native, bro.
Shit.
Can I take cast?
Yeah. See, I told you, the slow reel in the slack water, they love it.
Wait, so where's that aiming for?
Jay, that fish would not have eaten that thing. That fish was like this big.
I got a bite from a fish I think I saw him.
Yeah, that was like the smallest rainbow I've ever seen. Huh?
Do you have any hooks?
No. That's why me and Jackie are fishing with one rod right now.
Yeah, I caught him.
On that one? Oh, hell no. Yo, Jackie, something's coming up to yours, I think. Yep, you just got hit, real. I just watched that. That's another native. Oh, it's a native brown.
What?
It's a little brown trout. Don't let him go in the water.
Catch one right now.
Yo, look at that
Let
thing.
me take a pic. Let me take a pic.
DJ, can I use this rod?
Native brown, bro. Native fucking brown.
DJ, can I use this rod?
Yeah,
Okay, come up here.
let's go.
I'll get a pic.
Really?
I'll put him in. You want to release?
Yeah.
Get a video of you releasing it.
I will.
Let's say native brown.
We've got this beautiful little native brown in here. There he goes. See you later, buddy. Let's go.
Native brown, bro?
2 natives.
Wait, is that a brown?
Cast on like the end of the rip.
Wait, what are you looking for?
What do you mean?
Well, like what fish?
Nothing specific.
Like what were you looking for the thumbnail?
A native brown or a native rookie.
Wait, what did I get? A
Native
what?
brown.
That's it, so I got the thumbnail?
Yeah.
Yeah, that fish was sick.
I know. Cool. Cool looking,
I
huh?
wish it was like,
Jakey's on. Might be another little native something. Looks a little bit bigger. Looks like a rainbow. Just lift him up. Yeah. I think that's another native.
Really?
Yeah.
no, it looks rainbow.
Alright, give me that small fish.
Yeah, rainbows can still
Yo,
be
it's like
native though,
crushed.
Jackie.
Oh, I thought you meant
I'm gonna get my lure and try this tag.
yo, let's go back over there.
Hold on, let me take one more over here. See if we can't get another, like a brookie or something. Those little rainbows are gorgeous.
DJ, could you bring me the bag?
Let's go back to the other spot after.
Yeah. Yep. Yo, it's not just me that's falling, bro. It's everybody. Cameras were off, and Jackie just got slammed by another big fish. Probably like the same size the one
Oh, yo, that
Jackie already
down
caught.
his fucking throat. Oh, another.
Jackie slamming him.
I'm gonna let this bitch go. Oh, another. Bro, I'm slamming these bitches, bro.
I know.
It's a good day.
Yes, sir.
First time trout fishing.
How many do you think you've caught? Like 4?
Yeah. Is there still a worm? Let's go. Let's take some out. I'll let you get some, because I think we can get some.
All
I
right.
was on.
I saw the fish.
I was on. I'm taking another cast.
Jackie just lost one. Camera wasn't really rolling. We're at 4%, so we're trying to save battery right now. If we catch anything, I'll turn this back on. We caught the fish Jackie just lost. It was a nice little native rainbow. Look at the color on these things. These things are absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful fish. That's going to do it for this episode of D-Jonks Outdoors. We're still here, but GoPro's dead. Phone's pretty much dead. We're only staying for about 5 more minutes. Jakey just wants to try and catch one before we leave. So, yep. Hope you guys enjoyed. It was Jackie's first time trout fishing. We put him on some trout, which is awesome. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of D-Jonks Outdoors. Catch you on the next one.